Hey everybody, it's Mitch. We are in a 2014 Acura MDX, and I want to show you guys how to replace your cabin air filter on this guy. Pretty straightforward job. It's something that you could definitely handle on your own in your garage if you're in a jam. So most of the cabin air filters that you're going to encounter are going to be behind your glove box. Okay, first thing we need to do, open up our glove box. Okay, we're going to have to clear out some of the stuff. Not a lot of it, but just enough of it. You can see right here we have this panel, right? Pulling down on the outer cover in the glove box. There's two little ears. Push down on either side. That one comes off. Looks like that. This is the actual filter case. We have two ears, one here and one here. Just gonna push and gently pull. And then that one will come off. You see the ears, how they're set up? This one just slides right on out. Just like that, nice and easy. You can see this one is a little bit dirty. It's not too bad, but the last technician that installed this was nice enough to put a date on it. I like to replace my cabin air filter in my personal vehicle and in my wife's vehicle at least once a year. There's gonna be different allergens, different pollens coming out in the springtime as compared to the fall time. They make hypoallergenic cabin air filters. They're a little bit pricey, but you're not gonna have allergies in your car. And they're gonna filter extremely well. And if you can open up these ribs, you can see some dirt collection in there. So even though this cabin air filter isn't the nastiest one I've ever seen in my life, I would still recommend that we replace this. Just by the date and a little bit of gunk in there. To put this back in, just gonna get it positioned. Make sure the airflow is going the same way that it was when you pulled it out. If you put it in upside down, it's not going to filter air as efficiently as it can, and you'll get some smells, some pollen getting through there because the filter's not designed to filter that direction. So then you just kind of gently push it back in. If you get too aggressive with it and the filter bends, you're going to create an air gap there and you're not going to get filtered air coming in. So now we're going to put this guy back in. This is real easy to put back in. I'm just gonna line it up with those ears. Gentle push, 2 clicks. This one can be a little bit more ornery than the other one because of these little ears here. Just gonna put those ears in there, push up, hear the click, good to go. You just saved your heating and AC system from a potential costly headache by replacing a cabin air filter on your 2014 MDX. Very easy, very straightforward thing to do. Follow us for more, check out our pages. We're on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and TikTok. And let us know if you have any other questions down in the comments. Thanks for stopping by, guys.